okay ah. Agad. Why? What is that?
What is this, Daddy? What is this? 1, 2.
Step 1 and 3 inside.
What is this, Daddy? Hi guys.
How are you? Hindi masyadong daming tao guys kasi nga ano sobrang init. Pero medyo okay lang naman ngayon, hindi siya okay lang. Ayaw ko magsakay-sakay kasi ayaw ko guys, takot. Ayan, may donkey. May donkey din dito guys, donkey. Ayan si Malik, nasa donkey. Meron silang dinosaur doon, pambata. Ayan, may donkey. Malik, what is this? Huh? You touch?
Yes.
Hop. How much is that now if you ride? Huh?
I don't know how much. Okay.
Malik.
Wait.
That is
Come here. No,
that is toilet.
You want to ride?
You want to ride?
I'll look for that.
Okay, look for it. Look, I'm going to
I will run. What? Daddy, look how we ride. Look at the boy.
Yeah.
Okay, I will ride.
You're tired now. Maybe want water.
You want water or what?
No.
What you want?
No, that this one.
Are you sure to ride the wood?
You like or no?
Like,
Want to ride?
later on.
Later on.
I want to catch ducklings.
Huh?
I want to catch ducklings.
There's a horse there, oh. Malik can ride there, oh.
What? No. अरे कितनी बात कितनी है उसको
What's this?
You can play there.
You want to play here? Still have balance?
I don't know if you still have.
How much here?
Small for you. Have there, oh. No? Have there, oh. Have there, oh, Toto. Okay, ah. Okay. Why, what is that?
What is this, Daddy? What is this? 1, 2,
Stay balance inside.
What is this?
You can sit there.
1, 2.
No, ah, you see, because that one is small. That's small for you. This one, no, big. Oh.
Oh, what is this? What is it? What is this scared of me? Is this scared? Is this shy? I don't know. Right. Oh, what is it called?
kami, uuwi na kami. Nalibot na namin lahat-lahat. Ang ganda dito guys, kaso lang medyo mainit kasi. Pero doon sa dulo, mayroon din naman building na daming palaruan din ng mga bata. Doon kami galing, matagal kami doon. Ito sa labas na. Masaya naman, pero hindi naman masyadong mainit. Kaya yan. Si Malik. Happy?
Yes!
Just shoot him. Oh, what you have?
He's getting near and they want to bite him.
Do you want to bite them?
Mama!
Oh, maulog ka!
Keep.
Mama, go keep near me. Now, I should go. We're going to stop here.
Yellow.
Don't we stop here?
You have to pray, madam.
Yala, just check your height, be. How much your height? Okay, stand up. Maybe 103.
Yellow?
No.
Hindi na, let's go na.
What number is it?
20.
Check your cold. Stand up.
Maybe 100. Less than 105 ba?
Yeah. 103 one.
Oh, yes. Say maybe 103. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Maganda dito.
Mama, he's coming to you. Mama, make it down.
Baby, aray.
Mama, ماشي تعال
Down.
I said
لسه وانا مالك
no.
يلا خلاص
I want.
اهو يلا اوكي يلا
Bye.
If you come near, he will bite you like this.
Okay, let's go.
He's coming near. He bites you.
Mahulog, Faisal. I said to you, mahulog.
I want to eat you something.
Ah.
Yeah, this is like.
Hey, baby, take picture. Come here, here.
Ah,
Take
salamat.
picture, Malik.
كده ما
Dali, Malik.
بتجبت صح كده
Hi. Hi, oh. Alas.
يلا
Pauwi na kami guys, tapos na kami. Tapos nakaikot. Dami din na gasto si Malik ah. Pauwi na kami. Ano.